Good morning. It's just after 5 a.m. and I'm at the gym. See, came to the gym. This bird is at the door. It ain't motherfucking move, y'all. Look at it. I'm literally scared. This fucker ain't moved. I know it's fucking real. I gotta go in the door right there. When I scan myself in. I'ma scan myself. Man, I ain't never seen nothing like this, y'all. Have you ever seen a bird let you get this close? Look at this motherfucker, y'all. Oh shit, the mouth closed. It was just open. Man, what the fuck? Pardon my French. Oh, his mouth just opened back up. Y'all see that? Man, I'm finna go get back in my truck. Man, what kind of weird shit is going on here? Man, I'm literally shaking, bro. Y'all see this shit? Is he mesmerized by something in the gym or something? Man, what in the world? Look at this. Did he turn his head kinda? Man, bro. Alright. Be a man, LD. Let's scan myself in and walk past this motherfucker. I'll be right back. I'm in. When I beeped, he turned his head. When I hit the scanner to beep in. But it's just standing there. Look at this. I don't know if it's the lights in the gym or what, but that thing is stuck. It's like he's amazed. Wow, look at it. Look at all the bright lights. He wanna come in and work out too. Man, let me go do this. All right, little buddy.